You're going to need to have a distance measured between this cart moving and the collision so that you can find the velocity of that cart. We're in the freshman physical science today, actually doing the new pilot program that we're starting to try and integrate the NGSS standards a little bit before we have to force the integration into it to see how they work and kind of test out some new materials with textbooks, with styles of learning, investigations and such. So today they're actually investigating the idea of conservation of momentum using some of the materials that the district bought for us, and they're just kind of trying to see what happens when they collide a stationary object with a moving object to the mass and the velocity. They're going to explore those concepts. They'll actually record data tables and then see if they can build their own ideas first before we then go and try and connect the ideas together with some of the previous information we've discussed in previous sections, as well as the information from this section. So you're extending the data table beyond this 3 right there. So you need to try a few more combinations of different masses. Now with the investigation where it's prior to the learning, they usually tend to prefer a hands-on activity. It gets them a little more involved. I think overall they seem to be able to connect the ideas that we've done for the investigation with the learning when we do the learning after. So it's nice to have something, like in these cases, to be able to connect back to. Remember when such and such happened in the investigation when we're talking about the concepts later. We were trying as like a 5-year plan to investigate what the standards are, how we could work with them. The booklet we have is not even the full textbook. And so it's almost like a little like magazine version of the chapter that they print. They were nice to print out for us instead of doing the entire book. And then these are just interactive journals. So that way, the way that these are set up, they're meant actually for constant journaling and discussion rather than worksheets, taking notes in a notebook kind of thing. So it allows them to go back through till the very end where they then have to create a culminating project, something that shows learning of all the concepts overall in an engineering design standard.